Wall-mounted multi-chemical systems have been the status quo in the cleaning industry for years. But with newer technologies available, the maintenance and operating costs that these systems require make them a dated, inefficient solution to dilution control. And that's why we created EDS.
Our easy dilution solution is your answer to saving valuable time and money. Many businesses don't realize just how costly manual chemical measuring is. A portable solution to accurate measuring every time, EDS is convenient dilution control on the go. With EDS, you can tackle any cleaning job. Using a water and a quick connect hose, EDS eliminates cabinet installation and maintenance, maximizes your budget, and ensures your operations remain efficient.